guys, long time no see. I haven't had a chance to chat to anyone over the course of the last few months. You may have seen some videos from some of the girls in the office over the last couple of months. But Samantha, our little marketing guru, has roped me in today to have a bit of a chat. Now, the hot topic and the most frustrating thing that we're all facing today are lender timeframes. They are ridiculously long. When I say ridiculously long, we are seeing some lenders taking up to 6 weeks, even 8 weeks to get pre-approvals out, which is ridiculous. It's not all lenders, so please don't think it is, but it's just some lenders. And sometimes we don't have a choice but to actually go to those lenders. So you would often think, well, why would you even go there if they're taking that long? Sometimes you don't have a choice. Sometimes their credit policy is the only policy that suits you. Sometimes it's a valuation that comes in that we need to go there. But I just want to reassure you that although the lender timeframes are extremely long, we are doing everything we can to ensure that we are able to work around the situation. A few steps and a few pointers that I need to point out. It is imperative that we get a pre-approval. So we must have step one, a pre-approval in place to ensure when you do eventually find a property that we're in a position obviously that we can go unconditional without those hurdles and without having to worry about those extended lender timeframes. Because you need to remember when we convert a loan from a pre-approval to a full approval, the timeframes are a lot shorter. You're not starting from scratch. So yes, we must make sure that we've got a pre-approval in place. B, we need to assess your application to ensure that we're making the right decision for you in regards to the lenders that we go to. So ultimately, we may be in a position that we can talk to a lender where their timeframes are extremely short. It may not be your current lender. Hypothetically, you may be with lender ABC, but ultimately we might decide that lender D is the lender for you. That's going to have best interest rates, they're going to have obviously shorter timeframes, and they're going to be in a position where they're going to have a product that suits your needs. So although we are in a position we're seeing these lender timeframes, and bearing in mind the lenders are busier now than they have ever been. You will hear it all over the media. They are crazy. The market is very hot at the moment. So prior to going out finding a property, if you go and find a property on Saturday and you don't have a pre-approval, you really need to get your ducks in a row and consider whether or not you're in a position to put a contract on a property, regardless if you love it or not. And if you do put a contract on a property, you need to call someone immediately, regardless of the day or time, to make sure we can start getting your finances sorted. So yeah, it is so important at the moment to make sure you've got your ducks in a row, because these lender timeframes, and they're not getting any better. So we just need to work with what they are. So education is key, and being prepared is more important than anything else. So if you have any questions on that, give us a call. Otherwise, I'll probably update you in another couple of weeks in regards to other options that we've got in lender timeframes and how everything's tracking. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.